How are you doing today? Some might be wondering what is happening with the EURUSD. So this is a quick video to explain the fiber and what it has been up to this year, 2023. Right, so you can see we have this range, we have this rectangle here, which is representing the range from the year 2023 from January. So this is where January started, right? And you can see it made a low here for the year and then made a high here. And then from this low and this high, it is yet to break out of either of them. You can see the range for this year. And of course, this is the 7th of June. Q2 is going to be over in a few days. And then also half of the year is going to be over. So that means that so far so good that for the first half of the year 2023, EURUSD has been ranging, right? And if you check the dollar index as well, the DXY, the same thing also is being displayed, especially from the higher time frame perspective. So what most traders have been doing is more or less scalping within this major range, right? And then we had a sort of demand zone inside the major range. And you can see over here, it has messed it up a bit. So it is still a bit of dilly-dally, meaning that it doesn't have any clear direction for now, right? So we would love to see a proper breakout of these lows here for the year or these highs here. I can see sometime in April, we had this fake out over here. We had 1, 2, 3, and then it rushed back into the range, right? So just for those that are curious, trying to find out what is happening to the EURUSD, it seems it must be in a range. And then don't forget also, when it comes to summer period, summer is notorious for sideways action, right? So of course, fundamentally as well, we have a lot of things that have been happening based on Euro and USD. Generally, we've been having the inflation for a while now, hiking rates for the central banks. And then, of course, the war in Ukraine that is over a year now. And of course, the talk of recession or no recession. So there hasn't been much clarity for the year, and I'm just putting out this video just to help somebody out there to have a better understanding of what has been happening from the higher time frame perspective, right? So I want to say thank you for tuning in. I hope this video has been a bit helpful. And of course, if you have any question, feel free to ask. You can also look at the EURUSD from the lower time frame as well. Don't forget, if you're dropping down in time frames, probably if you want to be doing a form of scalping or intraday trading, then you are more or less trading within this major range, this major consolidation for the year. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. And of course, I'll be here to help you out. And don't also forget to subscribe to the channel, especially if you are new. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and ask questions, and we will help you out. Enjoy the rest of the day, trade safely, ensure you have your stop loss in place, and of course, calculate your risk management, calculate your volume, your lot size appropriately based on your account balance. Thank you guys. Do enjoy the rest of the day, and goodbye for now. Cheers.